Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you are also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. Yeah, I'm also fine. Yeah, I have come here for making this kind of video. And yesterday, I thought I would make a video for my YouTube channel because last few days I did not make any video for my YouTube channel. That's why I have come here. But yesterday it was raining. Yeah, that's why I did not come here. And today I get I have come here for making this kind of video. This is Santanu in front of you once again, and today I will share with you few tips and tricks which are very important and which are very important for learning this language. If you want to learn this language, please watch this video till the end. Definitely you will get few tips and tricks which are very important. Yeah, and before starting the video, I will show you the scenario. You can see this is totally field area, and I am walking on the tiny path. You can see this is the tiny path, and I am walking through this jungle. You can see it is deeply everywhere. You can see there are so many trees, and it is near my house. It is not a far away from my house. I belong to village area. That's why this kind of place are available in my village area. And whenever I get free time, I always come here this place for making this kind of video. And I love this place because when I started my English speaking journey, and from that day I always come here for making this video. And I have selected this place because there is another reason, because there is no one who will disturb me, and I always love this place. Yeah, if you want to learn this language, and practice every single day, yeah, practice every single day, you can learn. You definitely will one day you will be a good English speaker. Yeah, today I will share few tips and tricks which are very important. So before starting the video, I will show you the scenario. You can see the scenario is so beautiful, and it is totally field area. Yeah, and the weather is very comfortable right now. Sun is shining above my head, and sun is shining above my head very brightly, and everywhere the wind is blowing, and everywhere, yeah, you can see all are greenery. There are so many trees, yeah, behind me. And yes, today I will share a few tips which are very important. I know very well, you know very well, to learn any language always you have to follow 4 rules: LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. 4 things are very important for learning this language. But another part is very important, that is thinking. Thinking is very important, and most important is, according to me, most important is listening and speaking. Listening and speaking both are very important. Always you have to think, how did you learn your native language? Always by listening and by speaking. That's why listening and speaking is very important. Yeah, and few of the person, they asked me, yeah, is English grammar is important only for speaking English? Yeah, according to me, basic English grammar is important. Yeah, if you have a knowledge of basic English grammar, you can start your English speaking journey. Nowadays in our country, you have passed 10 standard, you have passed 12 standard, maybe you have a few knowledge of English grammar. Yeah, and if you have a knowledge of basic English grammar, you can start your English speaking journey. Only for speaking English, few structure are very important. Yeah, and if you start your English speaking journey, first of all, you have to know the few structure. Yeah, and listening and speaking, mainly listening and speaking, both are very important. Yeah, and if you want to learn this language, always you have to listen. Always, first of all, always you have to listen more and more. Yeah, listening is an art. If you are a good listener, definitely one day you will be a good English speaker. Listening is an art. Every single day, always you have to listen regular basis, and always you have to listen 20 minutes and 30 minutes every single day. Yeah, always you have to practice, and after that, always you have to speak. But first of all, always you have to listen. Listening is the most important. If you don't listen to anything, you cannot speak English. Yeah, so before starting speaking, always you have to listen. Listening is an art. Yeah, always you have to listen regular basis, and whatever you like, you can listen. And if you like watching movie, and you like watching cricket, whatever you like, always you have to listen in English. Yeah, and in this way also you can improve your listening power. Listening is an art. After that, always you have to speak regular basis. And As far as I remember, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I started this kind of video. I started making this kind of video, and every single day I made this kind of video, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. And after recording the video, I used to watch the video very carefully, what kind of mistake I was doing. Yeah, after that I have to rectify what kind of mistake I was doing. In this way also you can learn this language. Yeah, many people who are learning this language, they are not speaking they are not speaking because they are afraid of speaking English, because they are afraid of making mistake. But always you have to think, mistake is common, everyone makes mistakes, no one perfect in this world. And you are learning a new language, don't worry about making mistakes. Yeah, if you don't make mistake, you cannot learn this language, and making mistake is the way of learning this language. That's why I follow these rules. And yeah, yes, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I made this kind of video, and after that I watched very carefully what kind of mistake I was doing. Yeah, after that also always you have to rectify what kind of mistake you are making. And in this way also you can learn this language. Listening and speaking, both are very important. Always you have to listen, and always you have to speak regular basis. Yeah, reading is also important. Reading is also important. By reading you can learn so many new vocabulary which are very important. And by reading, if you read English newspaper, if you read English storybook, yeah, you can improve faster. And I don't like reading. It is boring to me, and I don't get free time. That's why I had to face a lot of problem for improving my vocabulary skill. Yeah, but whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. And at that time I watch the YouTube video with English with subtitle, and at that time I read. Yeah, at that time I read. And after watching the whole video, I collect few new vocabulary from those video, and using those vocabulary I always try to make a new sentence using those vocabulary. I know very well, if I don't make new sentence using those vocabulary, definitely I will forget. That's why I follow these rules. Yeah, and writing is also important. If you practice writing, you will improve faster. Yeah, writing is also important. And mostly important is thinking. Thinking English is very important. If you practice think in English, yeah, you can learn this language very easily. Yeah, thinking is very important. And whatever you will see and wherever you will go, whatever you will see, always you have to think in English. I follow this rules. For example, I have come here and for practicing purpose, for making this kind of video, and whatever I will see, I always try to express myself. Yeah, for example, I have come here, and you can see the scenery is so beautiful, and behind me there are so many trees, and sun is shining above my head. The birds are flying in the sky. Yeah, and few of the farmer, they are working over there. When I was coming over there, at that time I was watching few of the farmers, they are working over there. Yeah, and a farmer are always hard working person. And today I will share another tips which are very important, and that is practice. Practice is the most important key, and always you have to practice regular basis, and consistency is very important. If you belong to village area, if you don't have any partner for speaking purpose, don't worry. Nowadays the social media is available. Yeah, nowadays social media is available. If you search the Play Store, there are so many applications are available over there. Highbrow, CV, Excellency, Hello Talk, these kind of applications are available over there. And after that also you can download over there. After that you can use this application. Still now I am using the CV application. CV application is very well for speaking English. That's why also I follow these rules, and using this application I connect to another person, and I talk to another person with 30 minutes. Yeah, every single day. I know very well speaking is the most important part. Yeah, I follow these rules. And nowadays the social media is available. I did not join any coaching center. I did not go anywhere, and always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning the language. And I never thought I will learn this language. But during my study, I was very weak English subject. At that time, I could not write one sentence in English properly. And during my study there was no English subject in my primary school. That's why my English was very weak. Yeah, and I did not go anywhere. Well, nowadays using the social media, I am learning this language. Yeah, and every single day whenever I get free time, I always try to make this kind of video, and I always try to make a conversation video with another person, and by speaking I can learn. Yeah, I notice that by practicing I am improving day by day. Yeah, practice is the most important key. Always you have to practice regular basis. Well, if you want to learn this language, keep practicing, keep learning. Today that's enough. All right, nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.